Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll talk about string data type and typecasting. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and hit that bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. And let's start with today's topic. So in last video, we have already covered the primitive type, that is int, byte, long, short, etc. Now what is string? String is nothing but the sequence of characters, and the way to write string is very simple. Simply write down the class name as string and initialize variable with very simple message, that is a very famous message, hello world. Now moving forward, let's do something interesting. Here we will try to add two string variable, that is variable 1 and variable 2, and try to print as variable 1 plus variable 2. Now know that plus is an overloaded operator. This can add two entities as well as this can concatenate two entities. As here two entities are string, it will concatenate variable 1 plus variable 2. The proper way to declare string is string variable equal to new string and write down the message. Now I'll talk about typecasting. It is nothing but conversion from one data type to another data type. Suppose there is this variable called x of short data type and other one is of y of int data type, and we'll try to implement y and there will be no issue. You will get proper output. This is called implicit typecasting. This is done automatically by Java, where short data type is converted to int and so on. But when you will try to do it in opposite way, that is to int to short, there will be issue. You will get compile time error. Now let me explain this. There are two types of typecasting. One is implicit typecasting and the other one is explicit typecasting. The one implicit is done automatically by Java. Now when Java will automate typecasting, the first requirement is data type must be compatible, like byte, short, int, long are compatible because they all store integer value. Whenever the situation is widening, the implicit typecasting will be done. That is 8-bit of memory data type can be stored in 16-bit of memory. That is byte can be stored in short data type. But the opposite is not possible because of space. In those cases, we can do explicit typecasting. So whenever there is narrowing situation, explicit typecasting will be done. We have already seen implicit one. Now let's see explicit typecasting. To do that, you just have to write data type you would like to cast to in between these parentheses. As you can see in this program, int y equal to 10, short x equal to, in parentheses, we are converting to short. So we'll print the output and here is the output. So these were the basic examples to let you understand the concept. Now one thing to remember is to perform these typecasting, data should be compatible, then only typecasting will be done. And that's it for this video, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and do comment down your suggestion and question. I would love to answer. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.